Hi, I'm Bryce Perrin from CPAP Direct. In this video, we're going to do a review on the Philips Respironics System 1 60 series machine. Sounds like a mouthful? It actually is. So that's the device there with the humidifier. Interestingly enough, this is one of the few machines that are left where you can still separate the humidifier just underneath by pulling this across, which allows you to leave the humidifier at home when you go traveling, and you can just travel with the device by itself. So the tube goes on this flange here, and it's very easy and very lightweight to have in your luggage with you as well. The on-off button is the press dial there, which is also the menu, and there's a ramp button just down the bottom there. The ramp button basically means that if you wake up in the middle of the night and the air pressure has gone to huge lengths, or you're in the middle of your therapy pressure and it's too much, you press the ramp button and that will lower the pressure straight back down to your start pressure, so that way it's easier for you to go back to sleep if you've had a bathroom stop. The machine has a humidifier which pulls out the front, and there's a little finger press pad there which you press in to lift the lid off, and you get good access to be able to clean the humidifier chamber as well, and you put water in it up to about the sort of midway mark there. The chamber goes back in and pulls back together there. So we have an SD card which records all of the data here. You can also get Bluetooth modules and modems for it to talk to the cloud as well, and you can manage your therapy through Philips Respironics' Sleep Mapper application as well, which you can download in both for iPhone and also for Android devices as well. The electronic heated tube is probably the best quality heated tube we've ever seen from a flexibility perspective. It's very, very comfortable to have in the bed with you. And as you can see, there is a swivel on the top of the humidifier as well. So it's quite easy to have the tube facing any direction you like, depending on what side of the bed you have the machine on. And that way there's no extra stress on the tubing. The comfort features in this device is a patent that Philips Respironics have called A-Flex. And A-Flex is similar to the pressure relief that you see in some of the other models, where when you breathe out, it backs the pressure off to make it easier to breathe out against the air coming in. One of the things that we love about this particular device is the A-Flex actually breathes in with you and breathes out with you. So it breathes in to your inspiration peak as far as pressure goes, and then breathes out. It's quite easy to feel when you first start using this machine within the first few breaths that the machine actually gets in synchronization with your own breathing. And for people that are brand new to CPAP, this is a very comfortable machine to breathe on, especially for first timers. The downside to that factor is that when you have the pressure relief on the maximum setting, that also means that the breathing sound through the machine is a little bit louder. So there's a yin and a yang with everything. It's a great feature to have, but to make the machine quieter, you can turn that down or off, that A-Flex setting from there. But all in all, great machine.